Stop letting your e-commerce team drown in endless to-do lists and start streamlining your workflow with the power of Asana. Today, we're diving deep into how to use Asana to manage your e-commerce workers, boost productivity, and keep everyone on the same page. First, create a dedicated project for each key area of your business, like product listings, order fulfillment, or customer support. Click the plus icon to create a new project. Choose the board layout for visual task management, and give it a clear, descriptive name. Now, add sections that represent the stages of your workflow. For example, in product listings, you might have sections like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. Next, it is time to populate each section with individual tasks. Click the plus icon within each section to add specific tasks, detailing what needs to be done. Assign each task to a specific team member by clicking the Assignee field and selecting their name from the drop-down menu. Set due dates to ensure timely completion and prioritize tasks by dragging and dropping them within each section. Use subtasks to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Leverage Asana's communication features by adding comments to tasks for clarification, updates, or feedback. Use the @ symbol to tag team members and ensure they receive notifications to track performance. Regularly review completed tasks, monitor deadlines, and identify bottlenecks in your workflow. Asana's reporting features provide valuable insights into team productivity and help you make data-driven decisions. By implementing these strategies, you'll transform your e-commerce team into a well-oiled machine.